we're going to do is we're going to peck for some seeds like a bunch of chickens. All we're going to do is we're going to just bend down a little bit and bend our knees. Why is this important? I'm glad somebody didn't ask, okay? Because if you have lower back pain, it's usually, and you are not in a car accident or anything, and all of a sudden your back hurts, your back needs to get stronger, and there's two parts of your body that you're not stretching. One is your hamstrings. If you have lower back pain, I'm going to assume that when you sit down on the ground, your knees just pop up because your hamstrings are so tight. If it's not your hamstrings, then it might be your glutissimus maximus Kardashianus. Why do people laugh when I say that? So it's a medical term. So what we're going to do is we're going to stretch out our hamstrings, and then if you still have lower back problems, you reach out to me. I'll pop an email over to you with an actual lower back with a butt stretch. We're actually going to do a butt stretch while we're sitting. But right now all I want you to do is we're going to go like this, and you're just going to go peck, 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 like a bunch of chickens. Go peck, 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 peck. And as you're doing this, you're moving, and you're just getting a little stretch in your hamstrings. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pick some bananas like a bunch of monkeys and go pick,